If you could buy a property where you could have almost $1 million worth of equity almost immediately, would you be interested? If so, check this out. Did you know that the average waterfront new construction home in the greater Jupiter area is over $1,200 per square foot? Now, what does that mean for you? After you tear this house down and build your brand new home, whether you're investing or an end user, you could be sitting on $1 million worth of equity right here. To streamline this process for you, I've even partnered with JMC Luxury Homes, and they're ready to start customizing your dream home immediately. I don't know about you, but $1 million worth of equity sounds pretty amazing to me. If you want to have this double waterfront lot and live this Jupiter lifestyle, give me a call.